When do you recommend beginning a regimen of co-washing and trimming for type 4 kids?
Kids. When do I recommend co-washing and cutting type 4 kids? Early, when it comes to hair care. And oftentimes that's determined by the kid and how adverse they are or not to water. But certainly getting them used to water, and certainly with avoiding any shampoo that bubbles, lathers, or suds. Kids' hair, baby hair, is really not fully adult grown hair till maybe after 10, and kids are different. But in terms of like cutting, that's also a relationship with your child that, is different from someone else's relationship with their child. But let kids be kids. I think that when you're a kid, that's when you're starting to identify and become comfortable with you as a little person. I love long hair on kids. I also think a cute little short haircut on a little boy is cute too. It's their hair. That's what their hair does naturally, so it's not weird or anything. But certainly avoiding those shampoos, those traditional shampoos that were meant for kids, like the No More Tears or those Johnson & Johnson bubbly shampoos. Stay away from that crap. Certainly picking products that are as pure as possible, whether they're plant-based, organic, avoid all the chemicals, because children are way more susceptible to chemicals that are in beauty products, hair products, way more susceptible and vulnerable than we are as adults, because their endocrinology systems are far more fragile and still growing and developing. So avoiding things that have phthalates, which are synthetic fragrances, and all water-based fragrances, those are the most dangerous for children. If your hair's naturally dry, kinky, forward texture, and you're a little boy or girl, avoiding shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds, and using no suds shampoos, or rinsing, cleansing, and conditioning constantly with water and conditioner is enough. And getting your kid used to water and conditioner in their hair, and avoid things that, like the bubbles, lathers, and suds, that traditional things that have always been a disaster, and making any child want to scream bloody murder by drying and matting up their hair with those types of shampoos, versus simply getting used to using things that keep it soft. And so it never really dries out, right? Cut your kids' hair when they're after 7. But before that, just play with it. Let a kid be a kid. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.